Now today we will learn how to highlight only Sundays. Let's start. For this you need to have a text formula. I repeat, for this you should have a text formula, text value. This is my value. Press F4 three times. That is for the column absolute. Now and press the DD. This is a pattern of your data. What do you want? I want Sunday to be highlighted. So I'm just writing as a Sunday. Let me press enter button. I got the formula. If you want, I can write this formula once again for your reference. Copy the formula, select your entire data, go back to conditional formatting, new, and then finally use formula to determine, paste your formula, choose your color, that is a fill color. Then finally I just clicked on OK and OK. Your job is done. You can see like this data is your Sunday and it is getting highlighted.